back this way. Okay, let's go back this way. Alright, hold on, let them go past. Alright, go. You can do it. Push down. It's alright. Keep trying. You got it? Push hard.
I think I want another one.
No.
I want another one. This one's too big.
No, it's not. What other one? What other one?
Go, Kayleigh!
You got it. You're doing it.
The one with the doorbell. So let me go.
The doorbell.
You let me go.
I know. I'm supposed to let you go. I'm trying to help you do it.
I can do it.
Right, well, you gotta try to keep your foot on it, okay? You're letting your foot fall off of it.
I know because I'm riding.
I know, but you can keep it on there and still ride it. There you go. There you go. That's it. You're doing it. You're doing it. Ah, your foot fell off. Try it again. Try it again. You were doing it.
I'm going like this. I can't.
That way you can push down. Okay, go. You're doing it, not me.
I want to go back.
No, you can't go in the yard or you won't be able to go. Okay, you're still trying to learn. Okay, go.
I just want to go back home.
Oh, okay, well, we'll do
And
it.
ride another one.
Well, let's do this one first. You're doing so good. Go a little bit further. You're doing it. There you go. Yeah. You're doing it, not Daddy. You push it. You're doing it.
You the boys, you can ride this.
I don't. It's too little for me.
No, it's not. It's big for you.
All right, push it. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh.
I can do it all by myself.
Okay, well look forward. Don't look at your feet, okay? Try to do it without looking at your feet. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let me help you get started. Okay. Let's turn around so you're kind of almost going up here.
Well, I want to go uphill.
Go there.
Okay. All right, let's try it one more time. Try going to 60 by yourself. Stop. Okay. All right. Well, hey, look where you're going. There you go. There you go. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. You're doing it. Keep going towards 60.
Emma, don't move.
Don't move, sissy. She wants to get to you. Go. Keep going.
Don't run over
Right,
me.
get back down there. We're going to go to there.
Here. Woo, that's a long ways. You can do that. My feet. Trees. House. Car. Trees. Spin, 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 spin. There. Let's spin one more time. Oh, they're taking my max. I did a little spin, and I can't hardly see. It's dizzy. What? He looked at me like, oh no, no! Oh, never mind. I'm good. Keep it going. Go, Kayleigh!
Keep going. You're doing it. You're doing it.
Please don't run over.
Yay.
She's doing it!
Now push back on it and you'll stop. Push back on it. Push back on it.
She stopped anyways.
Good job. Give me 5.
Now it's
High
my
five.
turn.
5.
Now it's my turn.